Alright guys, so this is what happened. I was washing my hands in the sink, went to look under the kitchen cabinet, and lo and behold, found some water. So I knew something was leaking. Pretty frustrating, of course. It was on this side near the garbage disposal, so I was looking over here and seeing where the leak was. You can see the drops there. Now, if you look closely, it was coming from underneath this connector here, this steel band. Some people call it like a worm drive, but it was just loose. It needed to be tightened. So I went ahead and took a flathead screwdriver, went ahead and just tightened it up here. I'm just trying to adjust it here really for the camera, but you want to go ahead and push the dishwasher outlet waste hose and just push it into the garbage disposal kind of really as hard as you can. The garbage disposal ain't going anywhere. So just go ahead and tighten it here. Again, I'm just using a flathead, and you just kind of want to push it really as hard as you can and then just tighten it here. And as you can see, sorry if my hands get in the way, but it is what it is. So it looks like it's tight here. It's not going anywhere. For whatever reason, it was loose. And what I'm going to go ahead and do now is, of course, turn the water back on and see if it leaks. So, of course, my favorite method to do this is just see if it leaks. And we're going to take a piece of paper towel and kind of put it underneath, clean it off first. I don't feel anything on my finger when I'm doing it here, but I'm going to take a paper towel and put it underneath, and if it spreads to the, throughout the paper towel, then it's leaking. So it just it'll catch a more minute amount of leak than if you just are eyeballing it. So no leak, everything looks good. Hey guys, I really hope this video helped. It was a simple solution this time, but go ahead and check out my next video and keep on learning. Thanks. Bye.